Strong skier, advanced to expert, wanting to ski off piste as much as possible, just occasionally going down the groomers.
Recommend this ski for anyone that wants to ski predominantly off piste and powered on soft snow, but don't be afraid to go on the piste with it because it still works.
I think like some powerful, like really strong skier, I would love them.
It's going to be someone looking to ski off piste. It skis piste fine, but it's someone looking to ski everything. A lot of powder, all the other snow as well.
It's a really good old mountain ski. It's wide enough to go off piste and power through crud. It's got a rocker on the nose, so you get an early rise if it is a little bit cruddier.
That's great. Took it down the piste, took it down the side of the piste, some soft snow. Really cruisy, floats really well, dead easy to turn. Loves a bit of speed, but easy to control.
My fastest run so far. They're super stable and I wasn't too scared.